Alright YouTube, so we've got a little unboxing here. How about that? Plug. Let's do it this way. Thought those wires might be bigger. Okay. Nothing at this end. (36.8 to 68 volts, 800 VA. Okay. Search mode. Power consumption is decreased by 70%. Switches on every 2 seconds for a short period, obviously to check if there is any actual load on it. Shutdowns at 20 watts, turn on at 30 watts. Okay. So just some information about the LEDs telling you what status things are. Now this is what I really want to look at. So zero load power, 48 volt, 6 watts. 2 watts in search mode. Well, I'm not going to be using search mode. So no load power, 6 watts. That's a big difference. Efficiency, where is that? Efficiency 94%. That is impressive. So you can see we've got two very, very good figures here. So this is going to make quite a difference to our power consumption overnight.